Hey guys, Mr. Mike here. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. So, just want to make a quick video of how it looks driving with 15% window tint on the sides and 50% on the front. So, all my windows are 15%. The front passenger, the back, and the glass in the back, and then the front right here is 50% on the windshield. And so, if you're looking to get your windows tinted, you know, this video I guess can help you kind of show you what it looks like driving at night. And so my truck has LED lights for the headlights, so you're gonna see it in front of me. Obviously it's pretty bright, and so it does light up the road pretty well. But we're about to cross this street light right here, and there's gonna be no lighting at all from here on. As you can see right now, there's literally no lighting until I get to the very end here, and bam, there's some lighting up there. But this is 50%, it's 50 on the windshield. Now, some states don't allow windshield tint. I live in Florida, so they don't really bother you too much, but it's really nice. It keeps out the rays and it's really nice. So clearly you can see perfectly out this 50% windshield tint. And on the side here, we'll go look at 15%. This is 1.5 right here. So this one, where I'm looking, you can kind of see the difference between the windshield and the window. So on the left is 15% and the right is 50%. So as I'm driving through, you'll see that it's still very, very easy to see. Now, 15% windshield tint or window tint means only 15% of the light can travel through the window. And so if you have 90% windshield tint, it's very, very light. 90% of the light can still go through. People that get limo tint, which is 5% of light can get through. So as I'm traveling right now, it's very easy to see. There's literally zero lights on the road. You can kind of see this guy behind me right there. And but look, you can easily see out the window as I'm driving, and totally fine. Now keep in mind, some states are different when it comes to legal laws for tint. In Florida, the legal limit is 28% on the front windows, which is where you drive in the passenger seat. And in the back, where the back seats, it's 15%, which is the max you can go. For me, I have 15% all the way around the truck, except for the windshield. And so, but like I said, in Florida, there's a lot less restrictions when it comes to window tint because it's so hot here, and you're really never gonna get pulled over for having dark window tint. And if you do, they'll probably just tell you, hey, like, it's a warning, just get it replaced. But I've been driving with 50% window tint since I had the Mustang. Altogether, been driving for about 8 years with 15% window tint. Like 5 years with the Mustang, 3 years with the F150, and I've never had a single cop stop me for my tint. Now, if I did go dark, like 5%, then you know, you could run into some complications. Number one, it's really hard to see with 5% tint. I don't have a video on that because obviously I don't rock the 5%. It'd be cool to rock the 5%, but it's just something that I haven't done. And then number two, the chances of you getting a ticket are probably a lot higher because you literally can't see inside. So when a cop is driving, they just want to be able to see your figure and your eyes. That's all I really care about. You know, if they can't see what's going on in the car, it's a safety hazard. It's a safety hazard for other drivers because they can't see your eyes. They can't see which way you're looking, which way you're about to turn. So here it is. We're gonna look through the back window right here. Now you're looking through a 50% window, or a back window, and there's a lot of light coming through. Obviously it's kind of dirty, so you can't really see what's going on back there. But this reflector mirror is shooting through a 50% back window back there. And so here I am driving on a road with literally one street light, and it's literally perfect. You can see everything. This side right here, kind of hard to tell, but here you go. This is you looking through 15%. There's no street lights at all, just my fog lights and my headlights. And obviously we have no problem seeing. So in conclusion, if you are looking to have 15% window tint and 50% on the windshield, it's totally fine. I've been driving this thing for 3 years. I have no visibility issues. It does help that I have a truck because the windows are so big. Now, if you have like a Camaro or something, the windows would be really small. So you have to take into consideration what vehicle you're driving. You also have to take into consideration what state you're in. And then you have to figure out, you know, what kind kind of tint you want, right? Some tints they look cool, but they're dangerous. And then some tints, you can't even tell if they're tinted. Like, if you asked me if this windshield was tinted, I would say it's 50%, but to the untrained eye, you would think it's just a regular windshield. And I love the way it decreases the amount of heat inside the truck, man. Like, once I got this windshield tinted, the coolness of inside the truck was just so dramatic, of just keeping the heat out, protects your skin while you're driving, the sun's not literally glaring in your eyes. Now you can get a strip right here, and that's just like 5%, like super dark, but decided not to do that. But yeah, so one more check. We're looking right here through the windshield, it's 50%, and then over here we're looking through the window, which is my driver window, and that right there is 15%. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like and subscribe, guys. I post new videos on the channel every week. And like I said, I thought I'd make this video because I do get a lot of questions on the tint. And a lot of people are skeptical on how it looks while they're driving. And I'm telling y'all, it looks totally fine. So if you're wondering if it's okay to get that 50% window tint and 50% windshield tint, it is totally okay. And I would highly recommend it. It makes the truck look cool. It makes it feel cool inside, like temperature-wise. And it's not going to cost you like more than any other tint. They all cost the same. You know, tint is tint, so it doesn't matter what the dark level of it is. So, all right, y'all. I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace.